Consider that what you do or don't do is much more important than what you say. It's easy to say that you're going to do something, but it's another thing to follow through by taking goal-focused action. We all have different terms that we use to talk about ourselves. I suggest you now start seeing yourself as a doer, an empowered person that makes good things happen in his or her life. We're now going to get that ball rolling with this mindset by saying out loud, I'm a doer. And again, I'm a doer. One more time, even louder. I'm a doer. And you could add something like, I make good things happen in my life. You get the gist. I challenge you to regularly say this mantra out loud or even repeat it mentally for this whole week. And let's see how you feel. Have a wonderful week.